A very good morning. This is T.S. Verma present here with new topic. Difference between some and a few. In the very beginning, we will discuss about the sum. Sum will be used with not countable. The things which are not countables, then we have to use sum. As far as a few is concerned, it may be used with countable noun. Very important. I think we each and every student they must have to know the difference between some and few. सम के बारे में हम कह सकते हैं कि सम जहाँ पर नॉट काउंटेबल नाउन है, जिसकी गिनती नहीं की जा सकती, हम उसको सम यूज़ करते हैं. जहाँ हम बात करते हैं कि काउंटेबल नाउन है, हम वहाँ पर अ फ्यू यूज़ करते हैं. Well, student, now we will discuss about the sentences which have been given here, which are mentioned here. Then first sentence is, give me time. Now you can write here, give me some time, because the point is this, as we discussed that some may be used with not countable. तो यहाँ हम कह सकते हैं give me some time. Now when we talk about the second sentence, give me dash minutes, then we can write here, give me a few minutes. A few, this is countable noun, and a few will always should be the countable noun. Now the third one sentence here, I need advice. I need advice. Now I need some advice. Okay. Now fourth one is here. Here are dash pieces of advice. Here are dash pieces of advice. Now you can understand here, because this is very much clear, that we have to use a few. The point, the reason behind it, because a few is a countable noun. Here are a few pieces of advice. Okay, student. Well, student, now we are going to discuss the second slide. Okay, now the first sentence is here. We need furniture. We need some furnitures. As we know, the point is here that some is not countable noun. She bought dash pieces of furniture. She bought dash pieces of furniture. Now you can see this is countable noun, and when we talk about the countable noun, we must have to use here, okay, a few. She bought a few pieces of furniture. Now you can, I think that student, you can import the ideas that, okay, two different sentences have keywords. We need furnitures. She bought pieces of furniture. So I think in one sentence we are going to use here some, and the other one we are going to use a few. Okay, student. Next one is, can I have water? Then we can write here, can I have, yeah, can we have water? So can we have some water? Sign of interrogation, because this is also not countable now. She drink dash a few of glasses of water. She drank a few of glasses of water. तो मैंने few लगाया है यहाँ, few. The point is reasons that glasses you can count here. This is countable noun, and countable nouns, it will take a few all the time. So I think you will learn, you have imported whatever we have discussed today. Okay, student, we have discussed the difference between some and a few. Use of some and use of few in different situations. As we discussed, some may be used with the not countable noun. When we talk about a few, that will be used with the countable noun. We have discussed, apart from this, we have already discussed the different sentences which which semantically which express their meaning. So I think you have imported whatever the discussions, whatever the lectures has been delivered to you, whatever the guidance or suggestion, motivations and direction, especially I would like to say the direction has been given to that which strategy should be applied when you are going to use some or a few. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Take care.